is a fully automated plywood factory where raw timber is transformed by machines, data, and precision.
Every process here is controlled, measured, and optimized. Automation ensures consistency from the very first step.
This is modern wood engineering.
It all begins with raw logs. And a fully automated journey begins. Logs are automatically fed into the production line. Each log is scanned for diameter, length, and shape. Defects are detected instantly. Non-qualified material is removed automatically. Only suitable logs proceed forward. Flow control ensures stable production. All actions are coordinated by industrial control systems. The log now moves to surface preparation. Bark is removed to protect equipment and ensure clean veneer. Waste material is separated automatically. Only pure wood continues. Logs are heated to soften wood fibers. Temperature is precisely controlled. Uniform heating improves peeling quality. Conditioned for precision cutting. Now the core process begins. Rotary peeling machines form the heart of plywood production. Logs rotate while knives peel thin veneer sheets. Thickness is controlled to fractions of a millimeter. Servo systems ensure extreme accuracy. Production remains continuous and stable. Uniformity is critical for structural strength.
Automation enables high-volume output.
Quality monitoring starts immediately.
Errors are corrected without stopping.
Next, veneer sheets are sized.
Veneers are cut to exact dimensions.
Perfect alignment improves downstream efficiency. Moisture removal is essential. Dryers use multi-zone temperature control. Moisture levels are measured continuously. Drying parameters adapt in real time. uniform moisture ensures strong bonding later.
Energy efficiency is carefully managed.
Heat recovery reduces energy loss. Next comes intelligent inspection. Vision systems inspect every sheet.
Defects are identified instantly.
Minor defects are repaired automatically.
Sheets are sorted by grade.
Only approved veneer moves forward.
Now the layers are prepared for bonding. Adhesive is applied with extreme precision.
Spread weight is tightly controlled.
Closed-loop control ensures consistency. Bonding begins with perfect preparation.
Robots assemble panels layer by layer. Grain direction alternates for strength. Structural balance is achieved.
Accuracy is verified before compression. The flat wooden plate is stabilized. Layers are pre-bonded evenly. Final bonding occurs under heat and pressure.
Heat activates the adhesive.
Pressure ensures permanent bonding. Each press follows a precise profile. Strength is locked into the panel. The panel structure is now complete. Tooling and finishing begin. Final processing ensures perfection. Panels are cut to final dimensions. Surface flatness is refined. Dimensional accuracy is verified.
Internal strength is inspected.
Only approved panel proceed. Packing is fully automated. Logistics remain autonomous. Every wooden plate batch is tracked digitally. This is fully automated plywood manufacturing. Precision, efficiency, and engineering at scale.